Steve here with Rehab Q&A, where I answer a patient question in 2 minutes or less. Today's question is coming from a patient who was in a car accident about a month ago, had a neck injury as a result, and is still having some difficulty holding up her head during the day while at work, working a desk job. Noticing about midway to later in the day, her neck also starting to shake if she doesn't prop her neck up against the backrest. So question is, why is this happening when the injury was about a month ago? So what can happen is with the neck injury in a car accident, it can give you that whiplash type injury. What happens is it will inhibit the deep neck flexor muscles in the front of the neck. It's not something that you'll feel initially. You'll probably be more concerned with pain in the back of the neck. You may have some muscle strains or sprains, which is where a lot of the pain comes from initially. But the job of the deep neck flexors is to help hold the head up and support your head and neck in your normal posture throughout the day, especially sustained postures like doing desk work. It's a great example. What will happen is if those muscles are inhibited and not functioning properly, so your neck muscles will fatigue. Other muscles are going to have to take over. Often the sternocleidomastoid muscle here on the side of the neck, the upper trapezius muscles here, kind of from the top of the shoulders, kind of all the way to the side to the back of the skull, and the cervical paraspinal muscles right on either side of the neck, running along the spine. Those will have a tendency to overwork in an attempt to make up for the lost workload of the deep neck flexors not functioning. So in her case, she actually did have weakness of the deep neck flexors. Part of the rehab strategy is going to be strengthening these muscles to help improve the endurance of her neck, to be able to hold her head up during the day, and also to offload some of the tension, reducing some of the discomfort and tightness along the muscles in the back of the neck. All right, hope that helps. Have a good night.